Hardware and Tool Company Limited is a specialized integrated enterprise which integrates development, production, sales, engineering and service, and specializes in manufacturing and operating precision machinery parts and industrial fasteners. Based on CNC milling, we provide a complete set of solutions for parts processing, provide high precision, high-quality products to customers. The main materials used are aluminum alloy, stainless steel, carbon steel, and copper. Products are widely used in computer, electronic appliances, home appliances, furniture, automobile, robotics, and so on.